Ussuri Bay in Russia was once a Soviet-era dumping ground for old glass bottles and porcelain. But thanks to the awesome power of Mother Nature, the bay near Vladivostok now boasts one of the most beautiful beaches you'll ever see. Because over the period of many years, the waves of the North Pacific have washed the broken beer, wine and vodka bottles into millions of smooth and colorful pebbles that have turned the area from a no-go zone to a tourist attraction that visitors pay to see. While Ussuri Bay was once considered dangerous, authorities have now deemed it a specially protected area called Glass Beach that is popular with both tourists and locals.